Hello and good evening from Disney's Fort Wilderness. We're here today to go to Trails End because it is the day before my birthday, so we are coming here to celebrate my birthday, and we wanted to bring you along with us. Come with us as we experience it, and we want to show you a little bit of the construction that's going on around the Trails End restaurant and the Hoop-Dee-Doo restaurant, because it looks like Hoop-Dee-Doo took down their menus and a lot of different other things around here. So we want to take you and show you all of that with us. So let's go experience this and see it all together. Now, where we just were standing at the Fort Marina Recreation and Boat Rentals, it is temporarily closed. There is a sign on the window saying they are not operational, but this is where you get the boats to go over to Magic Kingdom, so they would pick you up here, and they still are running for the boat transportation. Now, where they used to have the playground for the kids while they're waiting for Hoop-Dee-Doo or Trails End used to be right here where the camera's pointing. It is now moved behind us. I'm going to show you that right now. They moved it right across from where it used to be, so it's amazing to see the transformation, and it looks completely different, but it looks nice. They did a really good job at relocating it. With all the slides, there's so much for kids to do here while they're waiting for their reservation. Right next to the playground, there is the Settlement Trading Post. They are open from 11 to 5, so they still have this gift shop open. It is closed as of right now because it is after 5 o'clock, but it is super exciting to see that this is finally reopened. Here's a closer look of the kids' playground. We are waiting for our reservation over at Trails End, so I just wanted to come out here and look at it a little closer. They did a really good job. Right here at Pioneer Hall, this is where Hoop-Dee-Doo used to be. It is coming back in the future, but you can see that they removed a lot of the signs, except for on the door, they do still have the signs. Now, they did move where the horses used to be. It was right next to where it says information and tickets next to Hoop-Dee-Doo, but they moved it right down the path. You can see it off in the distance on the left hand of the screen, right down the path. Let's walk down there and see exactly what it looks like. Now, they did move where Trail Circle D used to be on the other side of the road where I was just showing you a few seconds ago where the horses used to be. But look at this. It is so nice. It is not open right now because they did close at 5. They're only open from 10 to 5. But they have all this extra space for the horses, and you can even see them inside of their barns. This is a really, really nice building. We're going to walk back and see if our reservation is available for Trails End. Let's head on back down the trail. Right before we walk back down the trail to go see if Trails End is ready for us, this is where the new hotel is going to be. It is going to be Reflections, a brand new Disney resort. It's going to be real exciting. It's going to be themed after like the wilderness, so it's going to have a lot of log features. But we will be coming back when they are doing construction. It looks like they have halted construction as of right now because there's no cars coming down, and it looks like that's where a lot of the cast park for Hoop-Dee-Doo or Trails End. But this is so exciting that they're adding a brand new hotel right next to Fort Wilderness and Wilderness Lodge. So the first things that they bring out are the Hush Puppies, cornbread, goat cheese chive biscuits, the butter, and then they also have the pimento spread. This looks really, really good. So the next item that they bring out is the chopped salad, and then they also do have a bacon vinaigrette that you can put on the salad and mix the salad yourself. So the next items that they bring out is the sausage, green beans, brisket, corn, and then they do have chicken in there. We opted in for salmon because Lindsay loves the salmon here, so highly recommend getting it. It is a $10 extra charge, but it's so worth it. And then they do have the extra sauces that you can put on all of this amazing food right here in front of us. And for dessert, to finish our meal, they do bring the brownie chocolate covered bacon that Lindsay is holding on to because it is falling over, marshmallows, strawberry shortcake, and they did put cherries and whipped cream, and there is even ice cream inside. So it is so amazing. It looks really good. We're going to tell you our review after we are completely done. That's going to conclude today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. We had a great time here at Trails End here at Fort Wilderness. The food was so good and there was so much to choose from. If you did like this video, make sure you give that a big thumbs up for us, and also hit that subscribe button, and then also hit that notification button so you get notified every time we come out with a future video. Thank you so much for joining us and joining us for my early birthday dinner. Hope you have a great day, week, and month, and year. See you in the next video. Bye.